guys. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, this is Eleanor. She's our friend. Yeah, and that's Henry. Eleanor's checking out his head. And they are both just hanging out. Eleanor's just, making sure Henry's head's okay. Just kind of making sure Henry's head's okay. Yeah. Oh, Henry, what do you think about that girl? Oh, she's got his ear now. Yeah, just checking it out. Just checking things out. Yeah. All right. You can see the comparison of the docile, tranquil girl to the hyperactive boy. Yep, it's quite a difference. Yeah. Oh, let's see if we can get each other going. Everybody's kicking. Oh. Oh, okay. Let's see. Eleanor, it's okay. Oh, now Henry's got his hand on you. He's like, it's okay, Eleanor. Alright, guys. This has been fun. Let's go for a walk.